only competitor is yourself. Strive to be better than the person you were yesterday. Every day a little more. Set goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them.
Like and
The
subscribe.
only person you should compare yourself to is yourself. Continuous improvement is the key to personal and professional success. Don't seek to surpass others, but to surpass yourself. Remember, don't trust anyone blindly. Learn to rely on your own abilities and believe in yourself. People may disappoint you, but your determination and perseverance will never betray you. Surround yourself with people who support you, but know that true strength comes from within. Every day is a new opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Take risks, learn from your mistakes, and don't let anyone steer you off your path.
Like and
Keep
subscribe.
your mind focused on your goals and stay true to your values. The road may be tough, but with resilience and determination, you can achieve incredible things. Be your own hero and forge your own destiny.